Hello everyone, this is Mitali here from Fabulous You, and this video will be on the lovely collections on the western dresses which I'll be showing it to you. Price will be of two rates, 5.99 free shipping and 6.99 free shipping. So here I start off with the lovely purple color dress. So this is an lycra cotton types, and this one is of size 32, 34, 36. Okay, so 32, 34, 36 can go for this. ऐसे आपके नॉट स्टाइल में रहेंगे. So that is why this is really fitting because I am 38. Okay, 32, 34, 36 can go for this lovely dress, and this you can just take the screenshot on the same. So booking number, if I forgot to mention, is 9711952266. Just take the screenshot and do the booking. So in this, as a sleeveless, so they have provided sleeves also. Now only I have seen. So they have provided short sleeves if you want. So this is not exactly cotton but a very stretchable fabric. Okay, completely for the western wear, for the proper fitting. It's a very lovely piece with the back zip. So this comes with the back zip like this. Okay, and 32, 34, 36 can go for this lovely dress. So sleeves are also there in this for 6.99 free shipping. So here comes a lovely cotton dress. You can see it's a very beautiful cotton dress with mint green and purple, sorry, blue, mint green and blue combination में रहेगा. ऊपर का ये आपका ऐसे स्मोकी में रहेगा. सो 34, 36, 38, 34, 36, 38, 40 also can go. 40 also can go because ये smoky है, but till 40, maximum till 40 it will go. Till 40 it will go. बहुत प्यारा piece है in pure cotton. So this one is in pure cotton. You can grab this piece. It's just for 6.99 free shipping. So here comes a beachwear dress in cotton. ठीक है, in cotton, completely a white color dress with lining. So it is non-transparent. With lining रहेगा 36, 38, 40. 36, 38, 40, and back is also very smart. Okay, 36, 38, 40 can go for this lovely dress in white color. ये properly white color में रहेगा. Super comfortable dress. 36, 38, 40 में in 6.99 free shipping. And so if you are not comfortable with the string, so you can also wear this lovely gorgeous lycra cotton shrug. Okay, बहुत beautiful सा lycra cotton shrug है. This one which is of the same size 36, 38, 40, because ये shrug है तो 42 also can go. बहुत beautiful सा piece है. आप लोग इसी सेम समर ड्रेस को लवली इवनिंग गाउन भी आप कर सकते हैं. 36, 38, 40 मिंट ग्रीन कलर. ओके, पेस्टल ग्रीन कलर, मिंट ग्रीन यू कैन से, पेस्टल में है. दिस शेड इज अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल पीस इन 5.99 फ्री शिपिंग. सो हियर कम्स अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल कोट स्टाइल. ये हाफ कोट स्टाइल में रहेंगे, एंड दिस इज मीडियम साइज आई एम वेयरिंग. ओके, इट कम्स विद द साइड जिप बेल्ट. अभी नहीं है बिकॉज हार्डली लिमिटेड. I think 2-3 piece I have got. I'll check with the sizes what is available. So medium, you got a hook also over here. Okay, you got a hook also over here. So medium size जो रहेगा वो 38 को भी जा रहा है, but for comfort fit medium as per brand 36, as per brand 36 ही जाए. ठीक है, 36 can go for this lovely piece. ये आपका पिंक कलर में है. Okay, this is in pink color. So this is the exact color which is coming, pink color, and ये आपका ऐसे कोट स्टाइल में रहेगा. वेरी वेरी स्मार्ट पीस इन 36, 38 also can go, which I feel. ठीक है, बिकॉज मेरा 38 है. 38 also can go. फिट प्रॉपर फिटिंग रहेगा, टाइट नहीं होगा. सो इन दिस आई हैव गॉट सिंगल पीस. ये जो एल है, एल आपका 38, 40 जाएगा. ठीक है, फेबेले ब्रांड का है, देख लीजिए. एल है 38, 40, और ये आपका एक्सेल है. ठीक है, ये आपका एक्सेल है. सो आप नहीं, सॉरी, एल है 36, 38 को भी जाएगा ये. ठीक है, जैसे ये एम है 36, 38 आ रहा है, तो एल आएगा आपको 38, 40, और ये आपका 40, 42 को भी चला जाएगा. ठीक है, बिकॉज इट इज स्लीवलेस. ओके, ये सेम पीस है इन फैबेले. सो हियर कम्स अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल पीस इन ब्लैक एंड पोल्का डॉट्स. ब्लैक एंड पोल्का डॉट्स में रहेगा. दिस आई एम वेयरिंग एल साइज. ठीक है, एल साइज है. ये देखिए पीछे इधर बटन्स दिया हुआ है, एंड इट्स वेरी वेरी स्मार्ट पीस. ठीक है, ऐसे रहेंगे. एंड दिस वन इज ऑफ साइज, ये आपका देखिए ये फिटेड ही है. ओके, इट इज जस्ट ओवरलैपिंग थिंग. ये मैं एल साइज डाली हूँ. So 36, 38 can go. M is also available in this. M size is also available in this in 34 to 36. Grab your piece. Fabele brand का है ये in 699 free shipping. So here comes a very beautiful piece in cotton. ये आपका cotton में है and this is mentioned as M size और L size, but ये जो है ये आपका 36, 38, 40 ऐसे चला जाएगा. I think 42 भी चला जाएगा because we have it is in a very different pattern. I'll show you the pattern. ये आपका ऐसे देखिए belt है. Okay. So belt है, this area is like this curve, so 36, 38, 40 can go, and this is perfectly you can put it like this. It's a very beautiful piece in pink color, a very beautiful piece in pink color in cotton for 699 free shipping. So here comes a very beautiful piece. You can see this is also in lavender color and this is of size 42, 44, 46. ठीक है, completely stretchable piece है and this is the fabric 42, 44, 46 in lavender color and this is in string. So if you want to wear a shrug, you can shrug. 42, 44, 46 को जाएगा. Very beautiful piece it is in 599 free shipping. Grab this piece, a very beautiful one. So here comes a very beautiful piece. You can see this is in pastel pink and below it is like this. Completely stretchable piece है ये. So 34, 36, 38, 40. 34, 36, 38, 40 can go. Completely stretchable piece है. Like this you will see some design is there. Okay. 34, 36, 38, 40 can go for this lovely summer dress in floral in 599 free shipping. So ये बहुत ही प्यारा सा ग्रीन कलर है. You can see it's a lovely work done. ठीक है, and this one is of size 36, 38. 36, 38 can go. Very beautiful piece in green. Okay, in beautiful piece in green. 36, 38 can go for this in just for 599 free shipping. So here comes a very beautiful piece. ये white में आपका floral रहेगा and this one the size which will fit 38, 40, 42. ठीक है, because it's stretchable, so 42 size तक चला ही जाएगा and this is completely pleated like this. 38, 40, 42. 48, 42 can go. ये आपका fixed है. It comes with a very beautiful button over here. 38, 40, 42 को जाएगा in 599 free shipping. So these were the collections for today. I hope you like it. Please do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Have a nice day and do keep shopping.